Good job, Tegan. Are you feeding Pride? No, those are icky. You got your dirty hands in there. Here, feed Pride another one. He wants one. Yeah, the kitty eats his own food. Come on, feed Pride. Feed Pride a carrot. Say, here you go, Pride. Good job. Yeah. Here, come on. Should we see if we can get Shannon? You want to feed Shannon?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say, call Shannon. Say, come here, Shannon.
Miss Shannon.
All right, let's move Pride out of the way. Say, come on, Pride. Watch out. There's Shannon. Say, come here, Shannon. Oh, Pride wants his carrots. I think you're going to have to feed it to Pride. Get closer. Uh-oh. Remember, you put your hand flat. Hand flat. Get closer, Tegan. Good job. He ate it. Say, good job, Pride.
I want him to